Luca, are you ready for today's experiment? It will be an erupting volcano, and there are many things to mix there. Don't forget to subscribe. As you see, this is a homemade volcano, and I would like to talk about it. This is the cone, this is the crater, this is the main vent, this is the side vent, and at the bottom there is the magma chamber. Do you know what's the difference between magma and lava? Magma is melted rock, which is inside the volcano, and lava is melted rock, which is outside the volcano. We need the ingredients we need to do the volcano are baking soda, red food coloring, and vinegar. First, I will add some baking soda into the main vent. Then I will put some combination between vinegar and food coloring. Are you ready for the explosion?